Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices and initiating the first connection. Make sure your iPad model and iPad OS are compatible because pairing won't work otherwise. Once Bluetooth is on, press and hold the pencil's button if required and wait for the pairing prompt. Tap Pair. Now open Notes or your chosen app and create a new note so you can test input immediately. This gets you into the writing flow fast, and you confirm pressure and tilt responses before moving on to organizing your page layout. Once paired, configure your tools and establish a consistent structure. You pick a pen type, set size and opacity, then scribble sample strokes to calibrate pressure and tilt. This ensures line weight matches your intent. After that, lay out the page, add headings, create bullet lists for main points, and reserve a drawing zone for diagrams. Make a habit of using layers or separate notes for drafts versus polished copies so edits don't overwrite original thoughts. This saves time when you reorganize later. You finish by refining and exporting, then handle any hiccups. Use the lasso tool to move or resize content and convert handwriting to text for clean export when needed. Export your note as PDF or share to cloud storage so everything syncs across devices. If the pencil becomes unresponsive, check its battery, toggle Bluetooth, and restart the iPad. If problems persist, unpair and repair the pencil. Following these steps ensures clean notes and a fast recovery if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.